Hi guys, in this video we're going to go through the new Snapchat Spotlight requirements for you to be eligible to generate revenue and getting paid from them, okay? This is the new update effective January 1st, so this is very fresh. So all the people that are currently in the program most likely will be affected as well. So the most important part over here is that there are changes of the requirements and the rights to the content that you can submit. Also, there is changes in a way in which the content will be handled. You have to use a particular things, elements to be eligible for you to satisfy the requirements. First thing first, very important. So, first for the creators is that for you to be qualified, you should fall under the eligibility country. So you want to make sure that your country is part of the eligibility list. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to apply even if you met any other of the criteria. The second step over here is that you have to qualify your snaps, meaning that in eligibility criteria and period for the spotlight, you should accumulate at least 10,000 total unique video views, and this include at least 10 unique snaps submitted or at least 5 in at least 5 different days. Consider it of at least 5 snaps utilizing creative tools such as lenses, filters and sounds. So guys, very important. So to be eligible, you need to have at least 10,000 total unique video views. Okay, this is the threshold. 10k views included at least 10 unique snaps submitted on at least 5 different days. So in 5 different days you should submit at least 10 different snaps and they should generate at least 10,000 views. Okay, this is individual 10,000 views. Okay, each video has to generate 10,000 views unique, and on top of all that you should utilize the lenses, the filters and the sounds. If you miss some of these criteria, you're not going to be eligible for it. And very important, like I mentioned, check your country list first, because if you don't have that, well, if your list is if your country is not part of the list, you cannot get paid because your country is not eligible for. Last but not least, I want to mention over here that to be qualified as a creator, right, you should have on your profile, on your Snapchat account, at least 1 month old presence, okay, and you must have at least 1,000 followers. So this is very important. Let's wrap everything around. Check your country. If your country is eligible, that's okay. Then check your account if you have 1,000 followers and if you have your account at least for the last 30 days on or 30 days old, okay. And then you should qualify by utilizing the 10,000 video views, unique video views on each of the snaps that you create in the last 5 days. And then you want to make sure that you have at least 5 snaps that are utilizing the creative tools, lenses, filters, sounds to be eligible for the new program updates. Okay guys, for more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more.